What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I'm gonna do a smoke test on my N54 today. Instead of putting it on my positive and my negative, I'm gonna try to use my jump pack. I don't know why, I'm just gonna try, but yeah, check in. Got that off Amazon, and I'm gonna hook it up to my intakes. So I'm gonna take my intakes off. All right, I got the intakes off. Don't worry about it's so dirty under here. I really never cleaned it. But look, I got them off, and now I'm about to tape that side up and I'm gonna put it up good. I watched on YouTube how to do it. Y'all just stay with me real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all what I did. All right, it's starting to smoke. It is working off my jump pack, so you can't use a jump pack. But I taped that side up, and I'm gonna stick it in right here. So yeah. All right, I don't know if y'all could tell, but whenever I click it on, you're gonna be able to see smoke a little bit. All right, I did it again because my smoke was coming through. The pressure was getting too much, so I had to make it tighter. I put a towel, wrap it around with something, and then put some tape around it. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna reroute it to this right here. Got a little cap that was right there. Put it right there. Make sure no smoke come out of there. So yeah, let me do this again. All right, you can see a little smoke come right there, but I don't really think I don't know. I hope it's not like just blowing back from over there with all the wind. That's what I'm thinking it's doing, because it's all coming through right here. It's a lot of pressure. So I might got a leak back there, but I might check it out. All right, before I wrap it up, I'm gonna just turn it on one more time to see how fast the smoke comes. So I do got a leak back there.
Yeah, see how fast she leak is?
Nah, it ain't smoking.
It may not need to smoke no more. Let it run for a little while, bitch.
Oh, look, it go right there.
Just let it run.
I'm about to check my drive shaft right now, and then I'm gonna wrap it up.